Three more instances have been reported of what's being now called the love jihad. The first in Mainpuri in Uttar Pradesh, where something called a pink pamphlet has been circulated to boycott Muslim-run schools. In Gujarat, pamphlets reportedly from the VHP warn Hindu girls against relationships with Hindu boys. And in Madhya Pradesh, an Indore MLA has said there should be no entry to Muslims in the Navratri celebrations, ostensibly to stop Muslim youth from wooing Hindu women and converting them.
हम एक पत्र लिखकर सभी गरबा आयोजक बंधुओं को आग्रह कर रहे हैं कि आप मां की स्थापना करके धर्म के क्षेत्र में प्रवृत्त होना चाहते हैं तो यदि इन 11 बिंदुओं को शामिल कर लेंगे तो जो हमारी मूल भारतीय संस्कृति जो विज्ञान की कसौटी पर कसी हुई है, निसंदेह वो अपने वास्तविक स्वरूप को प्राप्त कर लेगी।
ये बड़ा संवेदनशील मामला है और भारतीय जनता पार्टी को इस पे या तो ये कहना चाहिए कि ये जो बयान आया ये उषा ठाकुर का व्यक्तिगत है, भारतीय जनता पार्टी का नहीं है। अगर बीजेपी खंडन नहीं करती है तो ये माना जाएगा कि ये बयान बीजेपी का है। ऐसी स्थिति में इस तरह के बयानों से समाज में बंटवारा होता है।
वो जाने उषा ठाकुर
मतलब बीजेपी डिस्टेंस कर रही है सर इससे।
Siddharth Ranjan Das now joining us from Bhopal. The State Home Minister not saying much there. So officially, are they distancing themselves from what the MLA said or not?
Well, absolutely, Amitabh. The Home Minister clearly distancing himself from the issue. And also we tried to speak to a few other ministers and leaders of the BJP in Madhya Pradesh. And they too are not even saying anything, even off record. They are saying it is something that has been decided by Usha Thakur, who's the state vice president of the BJP. It's a personal opinion and we are not going to comment on it. So clearly, the BJP here in Madhya Pradesh is actually distancing itself from this entire controversy. If we speak of this entire controversy, very briefly, I could tell you that the issue of love jihad was never a talking issue in Madhya Pradesh until today. The BJP vice president and also the MLA from Indore constituency number 3, Usha Thakur, decided to do something about it. She alleges that during Garba celebrations which happen during every Navratra, and this time it is going to happen during the first week of October, Muslim youths actually posing as Hindus enter these Garba event locations, woo the women there and then gradually convert their religion to Islam. And this time she has decided to do something about it. A 13-point letter has been prepared by her which will be given to the organizers only in her constituency, who will be basically asked to not allow any Muslim youth to enter the Garba premises, and to do this they will be asked to show their voter ID cards, and only after it is established that they are not Muslims they will be allowed inside the Garba event. But how successful it is going to be on the ground and whether this will again aggravate the problem of communal tension, that is something that is a big concern among the organizers, whereas the BJP right now in the state is distancing itself from this whole controversy. Back to you, Amitabh.